ready to dive into a world of insightful articles and connect with a vibrant community of writers and readers. Let's get your Medium account set up in just a few minutes. First things first, head over to Medium.com. You'll see a few quick sign-up options at the top for the fastest registration. You can click Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple. If you have an account with any of those services, simply select your preferred option and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This usually just involves confirming your login for that service. Alternatively, if you prefer to use a dedicated email address, click the Sign in with Email option, enter your email address in the provided field, and then click the Continue button. Check your inbox. Medium will send you an email with a confirmation link or a magic link to log you in. Click that link, and you'll be taken directly to your new Medium account. No password to remember. Once you're in, it's time to make your profile shine. Click on your avatar in the top right corner and select Profile. Here, you can upload a profile picture that represents you, either a photo of yourself or a logo if you're representing a brand. Next, customize your username. Choose something memorable and relevant to your writing or interests. Now for the crucial part, your bio. This is your chance to tell people who you are and what you're about. Keep it concise, engaging, and let potential followers know what kind of content they can expect from you. Think about keywords that describe your expertise or passions. As a writer, you can immediately start crafting your first story by clicking the right button. As a reader, you can begin exploring the vast library of articles by using the search bar or browsing through the topics that interest you. Setting up your profile effectively is the first step to building your presence and connecting with fellow enthusiasts on Medium. Happy reading and writing.